Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. So today I'm going to show you how I prepared this delicious Korean style fried chicken wings. This is my absolute favorite, but before we jump into the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let's jump right in. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have my chicken wings already washed and prepped, and I'll be using a little garlic and ginger paste. I also have some chicken bouillon, black pepper, and some salt. If you know anything about Asian recipes, it's super simple, but it's absolutely delicious. Now first you want to mix all the ingredients to combine with the chicken, then we'll cover and allow this to marinate for about 2 hours. If you have the time and you want to let it go overnight, sure, you can do so. So today I'll show you how to make 2 sauces to go with the chicken wings. This is my favorite. It's the spicy gochujang sauce, which is made with corn syrup, some rice vinegar, garlic and ginger, some gochujang chili paste, soy sauce, and some brown sugar. So first things first, you want to add all the ingredients to a small saucepan. Once it is added, we'll add a little water to thin it out a bit, and then we will allow it to simmer until it thickens back up. Once it thickens, you just want to turn your heat off and set that aside. That's it, the sauce is done. It is so simple, and this is my favorite sauce whenever I go to the Korean restaurant to purchase chicken. This is the sauce I usually get, the spicy gochujang sauce. Then I will show you how to make the soy garlic and ginger sauce. That's my husband's favorite. He don't do spicy, so that's what he usually gets, and I'll show you how to make that one coming up next. As you can see, the sauce has thickened nicely. We will now turn the heat off, like I said, and just set it aside. So now I'll show you how to make the soy garlic and ginger sauce. We will use the same ingredients: garlic and ginger, rice vinegar, soy sauce, some corn syrup, brown sugar, and the only different ingredient is some soybean paste. So you want to do the same thing that we did with the first sauce. Add all the ingredients to a saucepan along with some water, and you will allow it to simmer until it thickens. Now for this sauce, it wasn't thickening fast enough to me. It was like, what you call it, like reducing too much. And if it reduces too much, you won't have any sauce. So what I did was add a little cornstarch to help mine thicken up faster, and that's what I did. And this is just showing you the different ways you can thicken your sauce. You could either let it simmer until it reduces, or you can add some cornstarch like I did, and it will thicken quick and the sauce will not reduce to like nothing. So that's it guys. Once the sauce thickens, you want to remove it from the heat and set aside. And so here we have the spicy gochujang sauce and the garlic and ginger soy sauce. Now we will move on to the next step, which is frying up our chicken. So here I have some cornstarch and all-purpose flour along with a little bit of baking powder. I have some black pepper, garlic and ginger powder, some salt, and chicken bouillon. You want to mix all of those to combine and just set it aside. Next, we'll go ahead and coat our chicken into the flour mixture. I will not be using a batter today. So you want to just, go ahead, coat them really well, shake off the excess, and set it aside. I also will just be coating them once because I don't want a super thick crust on my chicken. I want just a subtle crispiness, and this will give you just that. So once you coat them, you will just carry on with the process until they're all coated. Then I will show you what to do next. Now into my 350 degrees preheated oil, I will add the chicken and allow them to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now, because we use cornstarch here, the chicken will take a long time to brown up. Sometimes it will be fully cooked and not be brown, like how we like the golden brown color. Because of the cornstarch, it takes a long time. So just cook to your desired color or texture. If you like it fry hard or, not so hard, do what you desire. Once they float up to the top, that's a great indication that they are done. So now I will remove them from the pot and carry on with the same step until all of my chicken is fried, and I'll show you what they look like once they are done. And here you have it, my version of the most delicious Korean style fried chicken wings. I did serve it with some of that sauce and some pickled radish. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy